Hey guys, welcome to Make Pen Hustle. My name is Vidhi. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's just jump straight into today's video. I am starting out by priming my eyelids and I'm just using the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, and also I've got eyebrow gel which is by NYX in my brows, but don't worry, I'm going to have all the list of products that I've used down below, so please be sure to open up that description bar and have a look at all the names of all the shades that I'm using from Huda Beauty's palette. I have to say that I loved using this palette this time around. I got such amazing payoff, especially from the lid shadow. It was fantastic. Just using like a really nice soft shade to first place in the crease and define the crease, and I'm just using a very light hand and just taking my time to blend everything, and then going in with this deeper pinkish sort of a color, and again just building it up really slowly to the intensity that I want, and just making sure that everything is blended. Like if I thought it was blended, I'm just going to blend some more. And then this is the shade that I was talking about. I mean, I got such amazing payoff with just the brush, and I did not even wet the brush at all. It was just, I thoroughly enjoyed using this palette this time around. I think the first time was an okayish experience, but like when I used it for this look, I just, chef's kiss. Just making sure that I've got the intensity in the outer corner, and again just making sure that I'm going in with a light hand. I'm just going to quickly finish or just move on to the base for now. I'm using the Nykaa primer that I hold recently. I think I used a little bit too much, but it was a very silicone primer, and I mean, it was okay. I think I just used a lot, so I'm going to try it out once again with just a little bit lesser of a product, and I'll leave a comment down below, like a pinned comment, to let you know how I go about using that and if it works or if it's any good. But moving on with foundation, just using the Lakme 925, again the shade name will be listed down below, and just using that to first carve out my brows, and then just spreading that a little bit and then going in with the foundation brush to blend everything out. Just being really careful with my brows and the eyeshadow placement, but since we've worked on that beforehand, we just want to make sure that we're taking care as to not blending anything out. I am also just using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. I think that's what it's called. Just using that with a concealer brush first, and then with like a tightly packed concealer brush, and then I'm just going to use like a fluffier brush to sort of blend it out. And just, I think I did like maybe 2 full layers of concealer because I really wanted that brightness. This one I find it's a little bit too drying sometimes. It depends on the combination of products that I've used, but sometimes they can be a little bit drying, so I use it sparingly. But because of the eyes, I just wanted to make sure that I had a really nice clean base underneath. So really taking my time with that. Like I mentioned, I had brow gel on already. It was a tinted brow gel. So now I'm just using a pencil to fill in my brows, and just making sure that they're nice and defined and a really nice clean look underneath as well. I think the key is to just really taking your time with the makeup. For me, I find this therapeutic. So, but while I'm doing that, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And with that, we are going straight in with the lower eye, with the lower lash line, basically, just using the same same shadows. To blend everything together and just keeping it very nice and diffused, and just connecting it with the upper corner, with the upper eyelids as well. And then for liner, I'm just using the eyeshadow from the palette. I really love doing this. I feel like it gives you a softer look, but I did want to also tightline my upper and lower waterlines, so just using that with the K-Beauty kajal, I think. And then just highlighting my inner corner. I normally would do that with like the highlighter or something like that, but I really just wanted to keep everything to this palette today. and I really, like I said, I really enjoyed using it. And then just using the Nykaa Supersizer mascara, I think that's what it's called. Again, it will be listed down below. And then using the Flower Beauty bronzer and just bronzing up my face, just the usual places where I typically bronze. I feel like this, you know, it's the same in every video, but I feel like it's a nice, you get a wholesome picture, so I love doing that. And then this one is an e.l.f. Twinkle Pink, I think it's called. I love this blush. I mean, it's got this hint of shimmer in it, and it's just such a soft, pretty, feminine shade. I love it. And then also using the K-Beauty highlighter. I think it's called Champagne Fizz. So pretty, and I have to say the packaging with K-Beauty, it's amazing, and the mirror that comes in the palette is just so easy and so convenient to use. And I feel like these days I love using highlighter, and I feel like I just want to bathe in it. Believe me, I've packed so many highlighters. It is absolutely insane. But anyways, I'm just going to finish off with the lips, and I'm just using the Superstay Matte Ink Crayon. This shade is fantastic. Now this is the pencil that actually doesn't have a shade name listed on it, so I will leave it down below. And then finally, to seal the deal, I am just using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys are doing well. Until next time, take care. Bye!